Welcome to a world of unparalleled luxury and breathtaking vistas as we unveil Viewpoint, an extraordinary mansion gracing the skyline of the illustrious Gold Coast. Prepare to be mesmerized as we delve into the opulent features and lavish renovations that define this waterfront masterpiece. Nestled at the end of the tranquil Main River Inlet, Viewpoint lives up to its name by offering some of the most captivating skyline views the Gold Coast has to offer. Imagine waking up to the sun-kissed cityscape shimmering on the water's edge, a scene that epitomizes luxury living at its finest. Every inch of this sprawling 1,924 square meter estate has been meticulously crafted to exude a resort level of luxury. From the grand entry adorned with Italian mosaic tiles to the soaring 5.5 meter ceilings crowned with a bespoke brass chandelier, every detail tells a story of opulence and refinement. Step into a realm of elegance as fresh oak timber floors and elegant Italian tiles pave the way to a multitude of living spaces. With 2 studies and 5 spacious bedrooms, each boasting deluxe ensuites, Viewpoint offers a sanctuary of comfort and indulgence. The Master Suite, a haven of tranquility, features his and hers walk-in robes, ensuites, and a captivating water vista. The heart of the home beckons with an open kitchen, living, and dining space adorned with a show-stopping single-slab black and white Italian marble island bench. Step outside to discover an outdoor oasis designed for entertainment and relaxation. From the newly tiled pool overlooking the city skyline to the championship-sized north-south tennis court, every corner invites you to unwind and indulge in the finer things in life. As we conclude our journey through the epitome of luxury living, Viewpoint stands as a testament to timeless elegance and impeccable craftsmanship. Thank you for joining me on this captivating tour. Until next time, may your views always be as spectacular as the one from Viewpoint.